Hello divine souls, how is your journey going, your spiritual journey, your twin flame journey? I hope you are doing well. After the immense good response from all of you guys on the last energy update of DM and DF, today I bring to you again another energy update of DM and DF. So I see the DMs are in a complete peace and a calm state of mind. Very rare event for a DM who has forever, their entire life has been unbalanced mentally. So now they have reached at a state of a very calm and peaceful position. Their energies are getting balanced. I can see the divine masculines seated in a meditative posture on a very sacred and a holy place, completely immersed in the divinity in a white attire and with a smile on their face and a glow on their face, as if with their smile they are trying to tell that they have understood the connection. With the smile they are trying to tell how it feels to know the love, the emotions they have for their divine feminines. Now they have realized of this beautiful connection which they share with their divine feminines. They have stopped looking here and there for any new partner for themselves, which they were continuing to do while they were in separation with their divine feminines. Now I can see that the divine masculines are in a deep thinking within themselves, and for the first time they are actually bringing in the balance. They're actually bringing in the balance between their feelings, their mind. Earlier they have always thought by their brain, by their ego self, and they have completely discarded their true self, and they have completely discarded their own emotions, their feelings. So now they are not fighting with their feelings, they are not running away from their feelings, and they have stopped, to run away from the feelings, and they have stopped ignoring the divine connection which they have done till now. So as the divine feminines have surrendered to the divine, most of the divine feminines are in a surrender mode. So this has due to the mirroring effect, this has had a deep impact with the divine masculines as well, and they are also being compelled to surrender to the divine and accept the connection. Divine is also showing them how hard their life can be if they are away from this connection, if their DM is not by their side. Some events has happened, and those who are not in contacts, divine masculines are realizing that if the separation still goes on further and they completely lose this connection, then it will be very hard for them to get back their DFs, and might be they'll lose their divine feminines forever, and it will be a big loss for them. Thanks to those divine feminines who have not initiated any contact with the divine masculines and given them the opportunity to contemplate on how it would be if the divine feminines disappear from the life of divine masculines forever and move on in their life. Also because the divine feminines have energetically moved ahead, so they no longer feel the flow of energy which was massively going from the divine feminines to the divine masculines. So it is working very positively. For the first time, divine masculines are having their soul realization, their self-realization, and for the first time they are accepting the presence of the divine. Till now, they only give importance to other aspects, to other things, and ignored that there is anything such like God, angels, or something even existed, anything such as a divine. But now they are accepting the divine connection and the divine as well. If they are working somewhere, they are not at all being able to focus on their work. They are not liking to spend time on their work. Their focus is completely towards the connection, right? They have always tried to use their job or their work as a rescue to run away from the connection, but now the same job or the same work is feeling like a tasteless fruit to them. They no longer want to engage themselves in just work. Divine masculines are trying to calm their mind, and for the first time they are being able to experience the ocean of love, the emotions of the divine feminines, because of the soul merging process that is going on and that has happened. So it is for the divine feminines that they are able to access the thoughts and the thinking pattern of the divine masculines, and it is with the DMs that now they are able to access the feelings, the heart, and the emotions of the divine feminines, all because of the soul merging process that is going on, still in progress, and the soul merging process that happened in the month of December. Now, because most of the DFs have started off with their sole purpose, DMs are also being forced to think that is it that all the work that they are doing, the job that they are doing, or whatever they are doing, is it sufficient for them, or they have some other meaning in their life. they are trying to aspire for something bigger. They are looking for something bigger, the truth. What is the truth in the connection? And they are trying to see a bigger picture. They are trying to come out from the narrow mindset which they earlier had of only money, work, career, growth. Now they are thinking emotionally as well. They're trying to contemplate harder. They're trying to introspect, and they want to do now right things in life. They want to correct the mistakes that they have done in the past. Might be they want to ask for forgiveness. They want to say sorry, right? They are giving away with their addictions slowly and slowly, because their addictions no longer serve them. They no longer give happiness to them, which they have now realized. The happiness does not lies in their addictions. DMs are also taking a bold step and started to distance themselves from the karmic connections and the third party connections, as they no longer find meaning in those relationships as well. Now they want to acknowledge their soul purpose. Now they want to acknowledge and embrace the beautiful connection that they were gifted by the divine, and they ran away from this connection. On a whole, they are missing their divine counterpart, the divine feminine, very badly. Their eyes want to see the divine feminines. Their ears want to touch their voice, and their ears want to hear their voice, and their hands want to touch and feel how it is to be with their divine love. So most probably they want to initiate the conversation, and most of the divine feminines, their masculines, have already initiated the conversation in some way or the other. Now it is being really heated up for them. They cannot wait any longer to meet their divine feminines. Now we come to the energy of the divine feminines. Divine feminines are utilizing the time on their self growth. They have brought in complete focus on themselves, which earlier they used to have mostly only for their divine masculines. They are in a complete surrender mode, right? Most of the divine feminines have started and doing their soul purpose, and they are trying to keep themselves busy with their self growth, career, job, etc. Most of the divine feminines have also recognized their innate hidden creative talents, and they are exploring their creative side also, which the divine has gifted. Divine feminines are balancing their DF and DM energy within themselves, and because of this, it is bringing on the balance on a collective DM and the collective DF energy as well. Divine feminines are healing their divine masculines, and they are providing with the healing energy to their divine masculines at the 5-day level. Now I will provide you with the things that you should do so as to get a fruitful result, which might also include some of the things which you should not do, so that you progress and advance on this journey beautifully. So the things are that you should not contact your DM in any form. Whatever the progress has happened till now, please do not disbalance the progress. Do not initiate any form of communication in form of a text, chat, phone call, mail, etc. This will disbalance the progress that has happened so far. Please give space to your Divine Masculine. For the first time, they are swimming in the ocean of love. They are realizing the divine connection. For the first time, they have experienced a bit of peace in their life. So let them contemplate, let them think on the connection by themselves, and let them realize your worth. Do not disturb them. For the DFs and even for the DMs, if they are listening to it, please take out some time and spend at least 1 hour in the sunlight. Have light foods and alkaline foods, such as green vegetables, fruits, and drink a lot of water. While you take bath, please add a pinch of salt in your the water, in the bucket water. This will help you to remove the negativity and cleanse your aura. Because both the DMs and the DFs soul have merged and they are ascending to a higher frequency, there is much a possibility of the demonic attacks, the demonic entities who do not want to see your growth, and you will be disturbed by the negative energies around. So it is very imperative that you add a little bit of a pinch of a salt while you take bath. This will help you cleanse your aura on a daily basis. Not necessarily to be done daily, but on a continual basis for 3 to 4 days. Again, you can give a gap. And as and when you require negativity in your aura, follow this process. It will help you. Try to protect your energy and have a minimal contacts with people around you. And yes, do meditate for at least 30 minutes in a day. And because of the heavy healing going on with the collectives, with the heavy ascension going on with the collectives, the DFs might feel very much exhausted, right? And because of this, they are suggested to take sound sleep, 8 to 10 hours of sleep. And if you are not in a position to meditate, then even while taking rest or lying on bed, or just before you go to sleep, just have a small prayer and meditate, go on a meditative state while you sleep, right? DFs are suggested to protect their DMs and provide a protective shield to them, and ask the divine to protect you, your divine counterpart, and your connection with any kind of negativity or negative thoughts of anyone of that sort. So when you meditate, create a protective shield of energy around your aura, and let your divine counterpart also enter the aura, and ask to the divine to protect you both in the aura, in the protective shield that you have created. Most importantly, I would just like to say that even if you do not do any of these things, still your journey is in progress, still your union is approaching, and still things will happen for the better. But if you are following these steps, if you are doing these steps, then you will be able to, complete this journey more gracefully and more easily. There will be lesser of delay, and there will be lesser of gaps in what you want to, for what you have been waiting since long. So, and divine won't allow you, to deviate from your path either. Doesn't mean that divine will let you completely stop doing your inner work and stop doing anything. But the point is that on a bigger picture, in the entire collective, divine masculines and divine feminines are entering the energy of reunion. They are entering the union energy of conversation, and they are ascending higher. So because the entire batch is progressing and you are also part of the same batch, so if you follow the right steps, if you do the right things, you will ascend along with the entire batch, along with the entire collective which is ascending. It is same as the way a batch of students study in a classroom, and the entire batch of students collectively pass the exam and move to a higher standard, to the next level, right? So I hope I have given you the message that is that was required and most sorted out. Okay, so trust your process. May the angels guide you, the divine protect you. Please stay in positivity with lots of love, peace and light. Okay, surrender to the divine. This is your divine help. Signing off. Okay, so be happy, keep smiling, and God bless.